Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to log in Mutual of Omaha Mortgage account. Watch the video till the end and follow through the instructions till the end. The first thing to do is to launch open a preferred web browser. Soon after you do that, go to the URL box and type in the URL mutualmortgage.com and search. Once you end up in the official website for Mutual of Omaha Mortgage, scroll all the way down and under Mortgage Resources, click on Pay My Mortgage. Click on the Secure Login button under Mutual Pay on the next page. Now, you will end up in the Sign In page on the right hand side of the screen. Type in your username associated with your mortgage online account. Go to the next field and type in your correct password. If you don't remember one of your credentials, you can get help by clicking on these two options respectively that says forgot username or forgot password. If you are new to Mortgage Online, you'll first need to register for an account. Click on the register button and follow through the instructions till the end. After filling in your credential, click login and this will then help you log in and manage your Mutual of Omaha mortgage account online. That is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.